Welcome to learn Advanced Microsoft Excel. Today we are going to learn about a new option of Microsoft Excel, that is Slicer. Slicer is a new feature of Advanced Excel, and you will get that option from Microsoft Excel 2010 and upper version. Slicer helps you to filter your pivot table in one or more filtering at a time. It is generally used to prepare a fruitful report presentation. Well, let's start. To make it simple, I will give you an example. If we want to show the division-wise revenue trend over the year of 2010 to 2015, then we can make this report by using slicer option. Okay, here is our data, and based on this data we can make this report by using slicer option. We have four different divisions and year from 2010 to 2015 and division wise revenue. Okay, first we need to select the table, then go to insert tab, then select the pivot table and click OK. Okay, now select the division in rows and year 2010 in values, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014 and 2015. Okay, now insert the slicer options. Just click any place of this pivot table and go to analyze, then select the insert slicer. And as we want to filter this data division wise, then I need to select the division and click OK. Well, now when you click the cash management, then it filtering the cash management division. When you click the retail, then it give you the retail revenue, and when you click SME and wholesale banking, the desired data as you want. Okay, now make this vertical. You need to go to the column option, and here you need to, as we have the four divisions, then just fill up it four and hit enter. Okay, now we get the division name as the vertical level. Okay, okay, just insert two or three rows. Okay, three rows. We need to insert one more rows here. Okay, now fix the table length of pivot table. You will see that the range, the width of the table range change. Now if you want to fix the table range, then just right click of this pivot table and go to the pivot option and uncheck the auto column widths on update and click OK. Now you see that there is no movement of pivot table. Okay, now we rename the field name, that is division, then 2010 as year 2010. year 2010, year 2011, year 2011, year 2012, 2013, same as 2014, and 2015. Okay, okay. Now just copy the two rows here, copy and just paste it. Okay, now we have the data. Now select the data table and go to insert and insert the line chart here. Okay, you will get the data. Now just add data labels. There is our data. Okay, we just bigger the font. Okay, we also make this bold for nice view. Okay, now we select a good looking pivot table. Yes, I like that table. Okay, now when we click the data, oh no, the division wise revenue trend is not changed as we click. Okay, we use here the reference. There is the sale address of wholesale banking 2010 is B7. That is B7. Okay, drag and drop right to left to right. Okay, now, oh, good. Now we can see all the divisionized business trend. Just click it here and make it invisible. You just select the option and font and here okay, okay, okay. Now we get the divisionized revenue trend easily. I hope you all will understood, and if you have any problem please comment me. I will help you to solve your problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.